Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning, English fluency and how you can improve your English language. I will talk about this because there are a lot of people, so many people, those are willing to learn this language. But when it comes to the hard work, they do not do the hard work. And as you know that without hard work, nothing can be achieved. And if you want to improve your English language, if you want to learn, if you want to get the command on this language, then it is very much necessary to do the hard work. And besides hard work, it is also requires that any kind of dedication, devotion, and any kind of goal ahead. If you have a goal in front of you that after learning this language you will do such thing, then you will work on this language with devotion and with interest. Otherwise this will be the waste of time, and if you don't have any use of this language, then you will not get benefit from this. If you want to become the English speaker or a influencer, then also it is necessary to learn the English language to get the good command, and for that you will have to read a lot of books, a lot of stuff instead of learning the language, because if you learn the language it makes you to speak the English language, but when to deliver something, speeches to others, then you require a lot of knowledge, and if you lack the knowledge you will not be able to deliver the things to the masses. So I think that after learning, first of all learn this language, that how you will construct the sentences, basic things. Then you will have to improve your vocabulary, fill your vocabulary with lot of words, and when you understand that right now you are able to speak fluently, then you will have to read other extra books of different categories on different topics. Those books will make you your memory powerful to deliver a speech anywhere. And without knowledge, without any other things that if you want to deliver some things to the public and you don't have any kind of knowledge about the things, and about the things you're supposed to speak about, but you don't have extra knowledge about that thing, you will not be able to speak on that subject. So for that I think after learning the basic English, basic things, you should have the good knowledge of things, all kind of things, and any situation can come in front of you that spontaneously you will have to speak the things. And if you are a good person in education and you have a good memory, then you will be able to speak beautiful words in front of the masses. Otherwise, if you are called on the dais and speak out some words, your mind will go blank and you will not be able to utter something, and you will there feel the ashamed, you will be sweat there. To save yourself from such a kind of environment, first of all make able yourself to deliver the things. I think read lot of books, not one or two, read lot of books, lot of stuff, and I think if you have an experience of life, then you can share your life story with others. Otherwise, if you basically learn the sentences and then makes yourself able to speak little sentences that are the good to speak in your daily life, but to become a influencer, to become a good lecturer of English, to deliver the speeches on the stage in front of the thousands of the people, it is much necessary to know the lot of things, to get the knowledge, to read the different kind of books, to know about the word, to know about the things you want to speak. I think there are the people those speak the English language and that is you know that any baby that is by birth of his mother tongue is he easily speak in his mother tongue, but he cannot deliver the lecture. To deliver the lecture he have to learn the things, he have to get the command on the things. Right now I will tell you that some people think that it is easy for those people who go there in native countries where the English language is the first language, they can learn English easily from there. There in native countries also there are too many pupils, those don't have the knowledge, those can only speak the English of to communicate with others people on daily routine. Otherwise when it comes to deliver the speech, when it comes to give the lecture, they are not able to give the lectures. To become an influencer, to give the lectures, you require a lot of other things. You will have to read, you will have to listen the lectures of others people, you will have to get the command on English language, you will have to visit any person that visit around the world, he also able to speak on different things, on different places, on different people, because I think that traveling also gives you the knowledge. And if you want to get knowledge, if you have to travel a lot, travel from different places to different places, and it will also adds to your knowledge, because whenever you have the practical experience of wandering here and there, and then you will be able to speak on those things very easily. Whenever you read the things in the books, that is okay, but when you will do the practical experience, that is very good. If you read in the books that how to drive a car, that is okay, good, but by reading the books you will not be able to drive the car. To drive the car you have to sit on the seat, and you will have to drive the car, you will have to do the practice. Without doing the practice you will not be able to drive the car just only on the basis of the reading the books. To drive the vehicle you will have to go inside the vehicle and do the practical practice. And if you want to do something exemplary, you will have to do the hard work. I think that you will get imagination, you will get a motivation and in great knowledge from this video. Right now, allow me from this video, and before leaving this video, I would request you that we all are human beings and we should work to spread the peace in the world, and we should not work to spread the hatred in the world. We all people are the human beings, so we should love each other without discrimination. Allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.